is going to be fun. What I need you to grab is your journal, of course, a marker probably, or a pen, and then I need you to grab 6 pieces of colored paper, all different colors, okay? So 6 of the big paper, all different colors, and I need you to grab scissors. So your journal, a marker, a pen, 6 different pieces of paper, and scissors. All right, we're going to be talking about fractions today. This is going to be fun. Take one of your first pieces of paper. Doesn't matter what color it is, just grab one. Okay, now this is a rectangle, right? This is a rectangle. We are going to divide it in half. So you know what I want you to do first? I forgot one thing. Grab a pencil. Okay, now with your pencil, I want you to draw where you think half is. If you were going to divide it in half, how would you draw a line? Draw it, okay? There's my line. There's a half, okay? Now what you're going to do, if it's your line in the middle, if it is, now I want you to cut it. Cut it in half, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we had one hole. We had one whole rectangle. What did we do? We cut it in half and made 2 pieces, right? So now we have 2 pieces. We took one whole and cut it in half. Now, how many pieces do we have? We have 2 pieces. This is 1/2 and this is 1/2, right? Put them together and it makes the whole. Okay, now grab a new piece of paper. Okay, any color, just grab it. This is a different color. Now, with your pencil, can you divide it into 3 equal pieces? 3 equal pieces? As best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, pretty close. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna cut it. Did you cut it? Into 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3. So we had a whole and we divided into 3 equal pieces. We divided it into thirds. Here was our whole. We divided it into thirds, right? Here's 1/3. Here's 1/3. And here's 1/3, right? Do you remember what your first ones were? 1/2. We split it into 2 1/2. What did we split this one into? Thirds. Here's 1/3. Here's 1/3 and here's 1/3. And they make a whole, right? Okay, on your thirds, 1/3, we're going to write something on each of them. We are going to write 1/3, right? Because this is 1/3. This is 1/3. And this is 1/3. Good. Now grab your half pieces. Do you remember when we had the whole and we broke it into a half? Can you write 1/2? And can you write 1/2? Because this is 1 piece of 2 pieces. This is 1 piece of 2 pieces. What is this? 1 of 3 pieces. 1 of 3 pieces and 1 of 3 pieces, right? Okay, good. This is so fun. Get another piece of paper. Now we're going to divide it into fourths. So 4 equal pieces. Can you divide it into fourths with your pencil? Can you divide it into fourths? See if you can divide it into fourths with your pencil, okay? Okay, did you divide it into fourths? Now, did you make 4 equal pieces? Now, can you cut it? 1, 2, make sure you have 4 pieces. Now let's cut it. Okay, now we have 4 pieces. How many pieces did we cut this whole into? 4, right? So that number goes on the bottom of our fraction, right? There's 4 pieces, fourths. So it's going to be each piece is 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. And 1/4. We did it. Each of these pieces is 1/4 because 4 makes up the whole thing. Okay, now grab another piece of paper. This time, this is what I need you to do. I need you to draw a big circle on here. Can you draw a big circle? Just do it the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we got to cut it out. Let's cut out our circle. Okay, guess what we're going to do first? We're going to divide this in half. 2 equal pieces. 2 equal pieces. So let's draw a line down the middle. Okay, let's cut it. Here's 1/2. Here's the other half. 2 equal pieces that make the whole. So if we divided our whole into 2 pieces or into halves, what number is going to go on the bottom of our fraction? Do you remember? What number is going to go on the top? 1. Can you draw these on your halves? This is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Okay, let's get our next piece of paper. Let's draw another circle. Can you draw another circle? Now, I'm going to teach you a trick. Get your piece of paper and your last piece of paper. Put them together so they're right together. Now let's cut out this circle and we're going to have 2 circles. Ready? Let's cut out both circles. We're cutting them out at the same time. So you're cutting out 2 pieces of paper. If you need to pause me, you can. Okay, on your first one, let's do thirds. We need to cut this one into thirds, 3 equal pieces. So let's draw it. How could we make 3 equal pieces? Make sure to do it with your pencil in case you need to erase. This is how you make 3 equal pieces. If you did it, great. If not, can you make that sign? So we have 3 equal pieces. Okay, now let's cut it out. Here we go. So we've got our thirds, right? We cut it into 3 equal pieces. So now let's write on the bottom of our fraction, we cut it into thirds. What's going to go on the bottom? 3. And on the top, 1. Each of these pieces is 1/3. 1/3 of the whole. Because we divided it into 3 pieces. The whole, right? So these are all 1/3. 1/3. Okay, last circle. We're going to divide it into fourths. 4 equal pieces. With your pencil, see if you can do it. Okay, did you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's cut it out. Okay, what are we gonna write on it? How many pieces? It's kind of hard to see it for me to hold up. How many pieces did we cut it into? 4. So 4 goes on the bottom of our fraction, right? And what goes on the top? 1. 1/4. Can you write 1/4 on each of them? Okay. Can you write 1/4 on each of yours? Now we get to play a fun game. Grab all of your pieces, all of them. And what you're going to do is you are going to lay them all out face down. So you're going to flip them all over. Okay. Flip them all over in front of you on your table. You won't be able to see all of mine, because it's a lot, but you're going to flip them all over, all of them. So you can't see any of them. Flip them all over, okay? Then what you're going to do is you are going to pick one up, but don't look at it yet. So you're going to pick one up. And I'm going to guess this is 1/4. I'm right! So when you're right, then you leave it face up in front of you, okay? Then you pick up another one. I'm going to guess this is 1/3. I'm wrong. So I have to flip it back down. Keep it down. Now I'm going to pick up this one. I'm going to guess this is 1/3. I'm right. So I get to keep it. I have them face up. These ones I got right in a pile. Now I'm going to pick up this one. I'm going to guess this is 1/3. I'm right. I get to keep it. I'm going to guess this is 1/3. I'm right. I get to keep it. Okay? And you're going to keep playing that until you have them all turned up because you got them all right. Okay? Have so much fun. Now, I want you, when you're done playing your game, I want you to gather all of these up and put them in a big Ziploc bag and keep them right by your journal and your binder, okay, in your math cubby. Okay, I want you to keep these because we might use them again. So make sure to keep them, okay, with your math stuff in a Ziploc bag. Okay.